This is a great idea to enhance your confidence. You know, one of the problems that we have is our hair. You know, if we don't have nice hair, sometimes our confidence goes down the roof. And I'm telling you about my own experience. Sometimes I get like bald spots. I don't know why. It's been happening ever since I'm a kid. And ever since I'm a kid, I know that certain oils can stimulate to have the growing back to the hair. And also too, I was looking to get my hair grow, and that means, you know, my hair got a little softer, got shinier, and nicer overall. And it grows really quick. And it's kind of strong. It's not like you pull it and a lot of hair is come out, okay? And the main reason they use oils is for that reason. And this is the first time that we get it in a bottle. And I love this combination. This formula is excellent because it has oils that they are very, very good for your hair. But first of all, let me tell you what is good for it. It stimulates hair growth, treats damaged hair, split ends, and frizziness. So you have any of those things, this is perfect. Also, it will help you to shine it if you put it all over the hair and make it softer as well. All right, so this is the list of oils. There's a combination of these oils. This formula is virgin argan oil, pure jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, vitamin E oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil, and grapeseed oil. All these are in this little bottle. You're just gonna get like 5 drops and put it in the scalp and massage. Now, I do that. I don't know what it make a difference, but I always do it. I warm it up a little bit and I put it in the scalp. Make sure that it's not really hot because this is oil. It can burn you, okay? Just make sure that it is a little warm and put it on there. The other thing too, that you can put a warm towel before that you put it on, and that they will open the pores, and then you can go ahead and do it and massage it. This is an excellent way to get back your hair that you love. A lot of people are struggling with the lost hair like me, and they know that it's a struggle and it's make you feel insecure. So this is what it is. Beautiful hair from Empowering CEO. I give you the link in the description. That way you can go ahead and get it and let me know what do you think about it.